Why your legs feel heavy after 50, and how to fix it naturally. The strange heavy feeling many adults ignore. After the age of 50, many people begin noticing an uncomfortable feeling in their legs that is difficult to explain. The legs feel heavy by evening. Walking feels slower. Standing too long becomes uncomfortable. Swelling appears around the ankles. And some people describe a tired aching sensation that seems worse at night or after sitting for long periods. Many assume this is simply normal aging. But sometimes the body is signaling something deeper. Poor circulation. Inflammation. Fluid retention. Low movement. Excess sodium. Dehydration. Stress on the blood vessels. Or even sluggish recovery caused by modern lifestyle habits. The truth is that healthy circulation becomes increasingly important after 50 because the body no longer recovers from stress as easily as before. And when circulation slows down, the legs are often one of the first places people notice it. This is why many adults begin searching for natural ways to support circulation, reduce heaviness, and help the body feel lighter again. This article explores why legs often feel heavier after 50, what lifestyle habits may quietly worsen circulation, and which natural foods and daily routines may help support healthier blood flow over time. Why circulation changes with age. The body becomes less efficient over time. As people age, blood vessels naturally become less flexible. Muscle activity often decreases. People spend more time sitting. Stress levels remain high. And years of processed foods, poor sleep, dehydration, and inflammation may gradually affect circulation throughout the body. The circulatory system works constantly to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every organ, muscle, and tissue. But healthy blood flow depends heavily on movement, hydration, heart health, and blood vessel flexibility. After 50, many adults begin noticing signs that circulation is no longer working as efficiently as before. Cold feet. Swollen ankles. Heavy legs. Fatigue while walking. Muscle tightness. And slower recovery after standing or activity. The body often sends these signals quietly long before serious problems appear. Sometimes heavy legs are not simply a sign of aging. Sometimes they are a sign the body needs better support. Why sitting too much makes the problem worse. The modern lifestyle problem. One of the biggest causes of heavy legs today is prolonged sitting. The human body was designed for movement. But modern life often keeps people sitting for hours at a time, driving, watching screens, working, or resting. When the legs remain inactive too long, blood flow becomes less efficient. Fluid may begin collecting in the lower legs and ankles. Muscles become tighter. And circulation slows down further. This is why many people notice heaviness becoming worse at the end of the day. The body depends on muscle movement to help circulation return upward from the legs. Walking naturally assists this process. Movement acts almost like a pump for circulation. Without regular movement, the legs often feel tired, swollen, or heavy. And after 50, the body becomes less forgiving toward long periods of inactivity. The hidden role of inflammation. Why the legs sometimes feel tired even without exercise. Many people think inflammation only affects joints. But inflammation may affect circulation, muscles, blood vessels, and fluid balance throughout the body. Processed foods, excess sugar, smoking, poor sleep, stress, obesity, dehydration, and lack of movement may gradually increase inflammation over time. This inflammatory stress may affect how comfortable the legs feel daily. The body becomes more sensitive. Recovery becomes slower. And even small circulation problems may feel more noticeable. This is why healthy circulation is not only about blood flow. It is also about reducing the overall stress burden placed on the body. Sometimes heavy legs are not caused by weakness alone. Sometimes the body is overwhelmed by years of silent inflammation. Foods that may support healthier circulation naturally. Why certain foods matter more after 50. Some foods naturally contain antioxidants, hydration-supporting nutrients, and plant compounds connected with circulation and blood vessel health. This does not mean food replaces medical treatment. But supportive foods may help reduce some of the stress affecting circulation over time. Pomegranate is often discussed because of its antioxidant-rich compounds connected with blood vessel health and circulation support. Beetroot contains natural nitrates that researchers study because of their role in blood flow and vascular function. Watermelon supports hydration while also containing compounds linked with circulation discussions. Garlic has long been associated with heart and circulation support in traditional diets. And foods rich in magnesium, potassium, hydration, and antioxidants may indirectly support healthier circulation when combined with an overall healthier lifestyle. The body usually responds best to consistent supportive habits rather than extreme short-term fixes. The simple daily drink that may help support circulation naturally. Many adults over 50 begin searching for natural ways to support circulation without depending entirely on processed energy drinks or sugary beverages. One traditional combination getting attention again is beetroot and pomegranate. Beetroot contains natural nitrates researchers continue studying because of their connection with blood flow and vascular function. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidant compounds linked with circulation and blood vessel support. Together, these ingredients create a refreshing drink many people enjoy during the morning or early afternoon. To prepare it, blend. Small fresh beetroot, ½ cup fresh pomegranate seeds, chilled water, small squeeze of lemon. Some people also add ginger for extra warmth and circulation support. The drink feels naturally refreshing without relying on heavily processed ingredients. This does not mean the drink cures circulation problems overnight. But supportive hydration habits, antioxidant-rich foods, and healthier routines may help the body feel lighter and more energized over time. Sometimes improving circulation begins with reducing the daily stress placed on the body itself. Why hydration is more important than most people think. The blood becomes more stressed without enough fluids. Many adults after 50 walk around mildly dehydrated without realizing it. The sensation of thirst often becomes weaker with age, while coffee, sugary drinks, processed foods, and medications may quietly worsen dehydration. The circulatory system depends heavily on proper fluid balance. When hydration becomes poor, circulation often feels less efficient. The body may feel heavier. Energy drops. And swelling sometimes becomes more noticeable. This is why hydration matters so much for healthy aging. Sometimes the legs are not asking for expensive supplements. Sometimes they are simply asking for better fluid support and less processed stress. The walking habit that helps more than people realize. Why gentle movement is powerful after 50. Many people believe exercise must be intense to matter. But after 50, gentle consistent movement often becomes more valuable than extreme workouts followed by inactivity. Walking supports circulation naturally because muscle movement helps blood return upward through the legs more effectively. Even short walks after meals may help. Circulation. Digestion. Inflammation. Blood sugar balance. Joint comfort. People who move regularly often notice less stiffness, less heaviness, and better energy overall. The body was designed for movement. And circulation usually improves when the body stops remaining still for too long. When heavy legs should not be ignored. Important warning signs. Although heavy legs are often connected with lifestyle and circulation habits, some symptoms deserve proper medical evaluation. Persistent swelling. Sudden pain. Warmth or redness in one leg. Severe cramping. Chest discomfort. Shortness of breath. Or major changes in walking ability should never be ignored. Conditions involving veins, circulation, blood clots, heart problems, or nerve issues may require medical care. Natural habits can support wellness. But serious symptoms should never be self-treated without proper guidance. Healthy circulation often begins with small daily habits. After 50, the body usually becomes less tolerant of inactivity, dehydration, processed foods, stress, and inflammation. And many people begin noticing these effects first in their legs. The heaviness, the swelling, the fatigue, the slower movement. But healthy circulation often improves not through one miracle cure, but through small supportive habits repeated consistently over time. More movement, better hydration, less processed food, more antioxidant-rich foods, better sleep, and daily routines that reduce stress on the body instead of increasing it. Because healthy aging is rarely about forcing the body harder. It is usually about supporting it more gently every single day.